Hi there, good day and welcome back to my channel. My name is Sylvia, and in this video I want to quickly show you how to use the XLOOKUP. The XLOOKUP is more of a modification of the VLOOKUP and the HLOOKUP functions. In this case, you can look up either ways in either direction, unlike the VLOOKUP where you have to look up the information in front of your lookup value. So just right into it, we want to use this data set as our main data, and we want to find the program codes using these university IDs. So to use the XLOOKUP equal to XLOOKUP. So here you see it searches a range or an array for a match and returns the corresponding item from a second range or array. So you just double click, then it's the argument. First argument here is the lookup value. The lookup value in this case is the university ID in cell I2. So you just put comma. Now we need the lookup array. So this is where we have the unique IDs in the main data set, and that is this. So we selected colon B as our lookup array. Then the return array, this is where we have the value of what we want to see. And in this case is the program code. So we just select colon A and then we'll put the comma. So here it's saying that if this information is not found, what should I do? So you can just open parentheses and say not here, then you close. So this is what is going to read when the information is not found. Then it's now asking you if you want a match, an exact match, or a match smaller. So we just want an exact match, so we're just going to put a 0 here, and then the other one is also optional, so you just close and click enter. So when you double click here, you'd have the information, and you also see here that it says not here, and that's because we don't have this university ID amongst the university IDs we have here present. So thank you, and try to use the XLOOKUP more often because it's just a lot easier.